Welcome back to the $1,000 challenge. On Friday we did a Lululemon trade, and unfortunately it didn't work for us. So instead of taking the whole loss of $383, we cut our losses early, and we only lost around $100 or so. If you looked at the chart, the Lululemon basically started making a brand new high, and I just wanted to get out. This chart started working against us, so we wanted to limit our losses. Trade number 5 that we did today was a Shopify vertical. So if you look at the chart on Shopify, you'll notice about last week it hit $1,000 and around $70. It then came all the way back down to $900, and today it went up $81 to about $1,009. Our vertical that we put, I don't think it's going to make a new high by this Friday. So what we did, we actually made 2 different trades in Shopify. We sold a 1060 call and bought a 1065 call, and we sold a 1080 call and bought a 1085 call. Now, between those 2 trades, we're risking $892, but we can make $108 as long as that stock does not make a brand new high. I don't think it's going to make a brand new high by Friday. I think we're pretty safe in this trade. If the stock starts going against us, we will cut our losses early. So instead of losing $892, we'll lose $300 or so. But I'm going to keep my eye on this one. I don't think it's going to make a new high. I think this would be a good trade. So hopefully this works out for the $1,000 challenge. And don't forget to subscribe. I think it's that button there or there. I'm not sure where I place these things. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you have any suggestions or things that you would have done differently with these trades, let me know so we can all learn and expand our knowledge. All right, guys. Well, hopefully this is profitable, and I'll see you for trade number 6.